In today's video, I'm going to teach you change line width, AutoCAD. If you've ever looked at a drawing and wished certain elements stood out more clearly, adjusting line width, often called line weight, is the quickest way to add visual hierarchy and make your design easier to read. We're going to keep this simple, precise, and exactly to the point. Start by selecting the line or lines you want to change. You can click a single line directly, and it will highlight with grip so you know it's selected. To include more than one, drag a window across multiple objects or hold Shift while clicking additional lines to build your selection. A brief pause here to confirm that only the intended objects are highlighted helps you avoid changing the wrong geometry. If you're using window selections, remember that a window that fully encloses objects selects only those inside it, while a crossing window that you drag in the other direction can select anything it touches. Either way works. The key is to select exactly what you want to modify. With your object selected, go to the Home tab. In the Properties section, look for the drop-down labeled Line Weight, sometimes shown as Line Width, depending on your workspace. This drop-down contains preset thickness values, typically expressed in millimeters. Clicking it opens a list where you can choose the width that best matches your drawing standards and the emphasis you need. Choose your desired width from the drop-down. As soon as you pick a value, AutoCAD applies it to the selected lines. You should see a visual change in the drawing area, with the objects appearing thicker or thinner. If the on-screen difference looks subtle, that can be normal depending on your display settings. The important thing is that the property has been updated and will be honored in output. If the objects were previously set to follow a layer standard, switching to a specific width here will override that for the selected items. If you prefer lines to inherit the layer's behavior, the By-Layer option in the same drop-down keeps everything consistent with your layer setup. By-Block works similarly, but is relevant when those lines live inside a block. That's all there is to it. Select your lines, go to the Home tab, open the Line Weight drop-down in the Properties section, and pick the width you want. Keep your choices consistent so thicker lines highlight major elements, while thinner ones support detail. With just this simple change, your drawings become clearer, more professional, and easier to read.